Good morning, students. In ninth standard, we are having 7 units. Today, I am going to teach the first unit, prose. Unit 1, prose, learning the game. It is written by Sachin Tendulkar. Learning the game is an extract from Playing It My Way. It is a small part taken from Playing It My Way. Actually, it is an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. That means he himself has written about his experience in his life. About the author. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age. The world-famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all times. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries. The first one to score, so he is the first person to score double century in a one-day international and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket matches in total, scoring 34,357 runs. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning the game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing in My Way. His awards in his career. Arjuna Award at 1994. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 1997. Padma Shri 1999. Padma Vibhushan 2008. Bharata Ratna 2013. In this lesson, Sachin has shared his personal experience and struggles he faced to become a cricketer. Let us know about it by getting into the lesson. In his early age, Sachin played cricket with his colony friends using a tennis ball. He loved watching cricket on television. And also, in his games, he often tried to imitate the mannerism means behavior of his favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. So those two are his favorite players. Not only batting, Sachin loved bowling too. Sachin is from an ordinary family. His brother Ajit is the first person to motivate him to play cricket. At first, Sachin was studying in the New English School, Mumbai. In that school, there is no equipments to play cricket. And also they won't allot time to play cricket. So, Ajit compared the schools. So he compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shardashram Vidya Mandir School, where Ramakant Achurekar was the cricket coach. is the best one. When Sachin was 11 years old, Ajit introduced him to Mr. Ramakant Achrekar. So he is not able to change the school, but his brother Ajit took steps to introduce him to Achrekar. During that time, Achrekar is conducting a trial for summer camp. So he is conducting a trial for the selection of players for his academy. So Sachin's turn came. Sachin got nervous to play in front of many people there. And also the coach Achrekar is keenly watching the players, how they are batting. So seeing that, Sachin got nervous. So he failed to impress the coach. So the coach called Ajit and suggested him to try again when he was a little older. So when he is little bit grown up, you can come again for the camp. But Sachin's brother Ajit didn't leave it. Okay. He asked Achrekar to give him another chance to play. And also he added that Sachin is little bit nervous as you are examining him closely. So please watch his batting hiding somewhere. And Achrekar also accepted it and went little bit far from that place. So knowing that there is no coach to examine him closely, Sachin felt cool and performed well. And finally he got selected for the summer camp. So the coach Achrekar examined his performance standing little bit far away. So as he is satisfied, he accepted him to his academy. This opportunity changed Sachin's life as a cricket player. The camp involved morning and late evening sessions. So as he is playing throughout the day, he became tired at the end of the day. Once Ajit gave Sachin a note containing some thoughts about batting, some tips or tricks about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual for Sachin. So it is very helpful for him to use while he is playing. Sachin had only one set of jersey for his practice. So he is having only one set of jersey and he has to practice for the whole day. So he used it by washing it twice a day. Okay, so after the morning session is over, he used to go and have lunch, isn't it? So during that time, he used to wash his jersey and make it dry. And in the meantime, he used to have his lunch. When it is the time for coaching practice, he used to take it and wear it and get ready for the practice with wet pockets. So still his jersey pockets were wet because he got only few minutes or hours to make it dry. Achrekar called Sachin's father and asked him and suggested him to shift him to Shardashram Vidya Mandir school where Achrekar is working as a coach. So he had a plan to give him more practice if he come to his school. Sachin's father said that if Sachin he could change school if Sachin was really serious about playing cricket. If Sachin is interested in cricket and played for his lifelong, he is ready to change his school. There is no objection from his side. So within days, Sachin is moved to the school where Achrekar is working as a coach. So moving to that school, he played 55 practice matches. Okay, practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. So 55 matches out of 60 days. So it's a very hard task for Sachin. His summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. And his evening session would start at 5 p.m. after a 30-minute break. So during that break, Achareka would give him money to have vada pav. Vada pav is a fast food which is very popular in Mumbai. And after that, the session will continue until 7 p.m. So his practice will be continuing until 7 p.m. The last 15 minutes is a hard task for Sachin because Achareka used to place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump. So the task is the bowler will be bowling to Sachin and 60 to 70 boys will be fielding around him. And Sachin must manage to avoid getting out. Then only he would take the coin. So if the ball hits the stump, the coin will be fell down. So if it happened, he won't get the coin. He will be out. So winning 1 rupee coin gave him great satisfaction and also it motivated him. Okay. And also taught him how to concentrate even when he is tired. See, from morning 7:30 to 7 p.m. he is going on practicing, isn't it? So he will be very tired. On that time, they are giving the task. So even in that time, Sachin is able to manage and get that coin. So it taught him to concentrate even when he is tired. Sachin would always ask his father. So when his father comes to pick up him from the ground, Sachin would always ask his father to get special food cocktail. That means mixed fruit juice. On that time, Sachin is not able to realize that his parents also had to take care of the needs of his brothers and sister. Okay, they are having more responsibility. As they are a normal family, they are not able to afford money to a single person. But he is not aware of it. He is very young. So he never thought of it or realized it. When his father didn't come, Sachin had to go home by bus. So whenever he get the seat, he would fall asleep. He will get relaxed. During the peak hours, it will be very hard for him to stand with the kit bag. So we all know that the kit bag consists of stumps, bat, balls, gloves and the pads. So it will be large as well as heavy. So on that time, the conductors may get angry on Sachin because the kit bag took up the space of another passenger. If he is not having the kit bag, a passenger can stand in that place so that the conductors would get another ticket and earn money. Sometimes the conductors were rude to him and asked him to buy two tickets, one for him and another one for the kit bag. That time Sachin felt embarrassed as he did not have money. Embarrassed means he feels uncomfortable because he is not having money to pay for the tickets. And he used to wrap his dirty clothes. So after the training, after the session is over, while returning home, his clothes will be dirty. Okay. So he used to wrap his dirty clothes with kit bag. Okay. If someone is seeing, he used to get embarrassed, uncomfortable with that dirty and ugly clothes. But Sachin took all as a learning experience. At the end of the practice, Sachin had to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park. Even he is tired, he has to run 2 full circuits. He has to run in the Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. See, it's very heavy to run along with this pads and gloves. But it helped Sachin to build his physical and mental stamina. So it also motivated him to play more. Sachin loves to play with his friends at home. So he is having many friends around his home. So he loves playing with them. So while he is playing, he felt happy. And in that joyous mood, he forgot the practice time. So he used to skip that time, isn't it? So knowing that, Achareka would take his scooter and come to find Sachin. Even in heavy crowd, Achareka is able to identify Sachin and he used to drag him to the ground. So on the way to ground, he used to advise him not to waste time by playing with kids in the street. Achareka was a good cricket coach and he was a very strict coach too. He gave rigorous practice to Sachin. So it was very hard for Sachin to practice along with this coach. So he is very strict in the regularity in attending the classes. His insistence on hard work and regularity made Sachin a good and great cricketer. Once Achareka was trying to teach a very important lesson. So he was waiting for Sachin in the ground. So he was planning to teach him a very important lesson. But Sachin absented himself. Okay, he didn't attend the coaching. Okay, and he went to watch an inter-school cricket match which was held in another place. So he didn't attend the training session. And this Achareka was waiting there. Okay. Achareka got angry and punished Sachin. Also he said that Sachin should not watch others play. The people from across the world should watch him play cricket. So he motivated Sachin a lot to become a great cricketer. So this turned out to be a great thing in his life. And he became a great cricketer because of Achrekar and his brother Ajit. Today, Sachin is a great legend. He is a great player. He is well known to each and everyone. But the struggles he went through is not a easy task. So life is not easy for everyone. So we have to experience things and we have to face the struggles. We have to overcome it. So dear students, set a goal. Follow it and try to achieve it. Thank you.